give a lot of right or wrong information. That's why I signed up the first one.
I feel it's okay, I can learn something, it's like how to pose everything, all those basics also I know. I know the second class and the third class, so I just keep looking lah. I just look into it, I'm interested, I join it. Okay, take it out.
今次係第幾次過嚟做 model 啊？
見你係第三屆，做你 model 第五屆，
咁嚟到我呢班學生曳唔曳啊？
少少啊，
少少啦，咁啊
係開心㗎啦，
開心好玩啦，係咪？好啦，我哋睇下學生先。喂，機下先。